Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So today's video is sponsored by Julia Hair Company. So this beauty right here is a 5x5 closure unit and it is 34 inches long. So yes, it is a long unit. So I didn't do anything special with this unit, guys. It did come to me in a middle part. All I did was go ahead and switch it to the side part. I did go ahead and bleach the knots ever so slightly on this unit, guys, and that's about it. So I didn't do baby hair magic or anything. I wanted to keep it simple for the purposes of today's video. I did go ahead and do some light deep waves in it just because the 34 inch was very long and straight, which I did show you guys how straight and long it was in the install portion. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's jump into the install part before my final thoughts. guys, so that basically wraps up the install part of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the hair tutorial. Like I said, everything was very simple with this unit. It is a closure unit, 5x5, 34 inches long. So all I did was use my Eben Wonder Lace adhesive, dropped a few little dots on my forehead, and used my olive oil wig grip spray, and that's that. The unit has been installed for a complete day, guys. Yesterday I did go ahead and wear the hair straight, and today I did wear it in the deep wave style, which I absolutely love. I do like the deep wave style on this one better just because the volume on this unit is very thick, and also on top of that it's long and gives that mermaid effect, and everything just looks really good put together. Now you can choose to do baby hairs, but I chose not to do baby hairs just because baby hairs can be exaggerated too much, and the fact that I did go ahead and deep wave it wasn't necessary for it anyways. So with this one I was able to go ahead and do a very nice side part on this one. There is a lot of parting space on this 5x5 closure, even from the jump street, like from the beginning. 5x5, look at how much lace you get in the front. And like I said, you can do baby hair magic, you have the perimeter for it, but I choose not to. This is what the side tabs look like once it's installed, guys. It's pretty flat. A lot of the times the companies will make the hair go downwards so it can kind of hide the tracks, which I totally appreciate. So with this one, it's definitely a nice construction. There's also like this kind of like tab part right here that just flops down and stays pretty much flat on your sides. So that is one thing I really like about this unit, guys. Other than it being very nice, soft, and long, another thing I did notice is that it has a very minimal shedding, but it does have a little bit of tangling just because of the length. So you won't get the tangling in the nape area, but you're going to get the tangling at the ends just because it's going to get on stuff. It's going to get like stuck in your jacket zipper or stuck in your purse bag, which happened to me already. So that's the only thing I see. So if you're not into long hair, I don't recommend you picking 34 inches. Pick something more moderate like a 28 or 30 if you're trying to play it safe. So this unit overall is very pretty. Thank you to Julie here for sending me this unit, guys. I will turn around and show you guys the back, and I'll also leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.